Hi everyone. So now we are going to start the production of this cold press oil extracting machine. So this is going to be dispatched to Mumbai. So actually this machine is customized by the customer. So they have asked for a yellow color. So now we have done the golden yellow color. So machine everything is ready for trial. So this is the crushing wood. So this is totally a wooden piece, and bottom also is made up of fully wooden piece. This is a complete wooden machine. So now we will start the production. So now the crushing part is lifted on the top. So we'll keep it inside first. So that's the plain part. By using the crane we can easily put it inside. And now we need to connect this two rod. So now the pin is connected. So now we need to tie the small spring first. Four threads in the bottom. Using this spanner, bottom 3 to 4 threads we have tightened. Of groundnut, 20 kg of groundnut. So for that we required 1 liter of water. So now we are going to start this machine, and I'll show you how much water we need to pour everything. First we need to just switch on this switch. So now slowly we need to add water. So first around like 750 ml of water we need to add for this groundnut. I'll show you after oil is coming. See that now we have added 20 kg of raw material. For that I have added 1 liter of water. So now oil started coming. So based on the moisture content of the seed we need to add the water. So for this raw material it's consuming around like 1 liter of water for 20 kg of raw material. So now you can see that oil started coming in the raw material. So if you see the oil in the raw material, we should stop adding the water. So that is enough for this raw material. So now oil will start coming, and we will remove the oil out after 10 minutes. See that? So now the groundnut has become fully cake. From that cake oil is coming out. So we just need to wait for another 5 minutes. So we will take the oil out. So now we will take the oil out. So while taking oil out, this should be oil outlet should be in this area only. Now oil fully went down, sir. So top we don't have any oil, so everything went down. See that now oil production is fully completed. We have taken the cake out. So this is the cake. This is the oil we have got. So normally around like 40% of oil you will be getting from this groundnut. So now the production is over. So two machine can be handled by one labor. It will be very easy for handling. Only the cleaning of the machine should be done manually. So oil production, everything it will be done automatically, sir. So thank you for watching this video. So thank you.